Myanmar, a country with diverse industries, faces unique challenges due to its rugged terrain and geographical diversity. Introducing EDDY Pump, the solution to Myanmar's industrial hurdles, offering state-of-the-art slurry pumps and dredging equipment tailored to uplift vital sectors. Seamlessly aligning with Myanmar's industrial needs, EDDY Pump addresses material transfer and infrastructure maintenance obstacles, providing comprehensive solutions for the country's primary industries. Opt for EDDY Pump's rental services to enjoy strategic advantages in mining, energy, manufacturing, construction, and agriculture. Adaptability and cost-effectiveness make EDDY Pump the preferred partner for industries seeking reliable equipment solutions in Myanmar. Our equipment ensures efficient material transfer across varied terrains, from handling abrasive materials to managing large volumes of water and slurries. Overcome challenges in mining, energy, manufacturing, construction, and agriculture with EDDY Pump's innovative solutions. Choose EDDY Pump today and experience the transformative potential of our advanced pump and dredge equipment. Explore our rental services today and elevate efficiency in Myanmar's competitive industrial landscape. Buy or rent an EDDY Pump today. Contact us. We pump solids, not water.